Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with another Craft With Me project share sponsored by BEEBEECRAFT. And as many of you know, I am a member of their YouTube program as a collaborator. And as part of that collaboration, BEEBEECRAFT allows me to order some products from their website, and they ship them to me for free, and the products themselves are free. As part of that collaboration, what I need to do is some Craft With Me videos and unboxing videos and just talk about their website. So anyway, BEEBEECRAFT is a shopping mecca for crafters galore. Okay, they have stuff on there for everything. Beading, jewelry, diamond painting, resin work, obviously keychains, and these are the acrylic keychains. They have things for sewers. I mean, just all kinds of things. You can find lots there. So anyway, what I'm going to do is in the description box down below, I will have a link to their website. And I would appreciate it if you do go to their website that you would use my link, because that tells BEEBEECRAFT that people are watching my videos and it is worth their while to continue me in their YouTube program. Also, I'm going to have a link in the description box below to these tags that I'm going to show you in a minute that I did get as part of my package, as well as the other products that I received in my latest BEEBEECRAFT haul. And I will also have my coupon code, which is Enis10, which will give you 10% off your order, and that coupon is good until November 29 of this year, 2025. And by the way, BEEBEECRAFT is constantly running sales and coupons, so you can use those coupons and save even more money. With that, let me show you what I have here. So what I'm using today is this kit that I got, and off the top of my head, I do not remember how much this was, but I will have that in the description box below along with the link. And in this package, I received, I think, 15 of these keychain blanks, as well as a packet of jump rings and the hardware to make the keychains. Now this packet happens to be silver, but I would imagine if you look, you can probably find gold if you prefer gold. And who knows, maybe they even have other colors. I'm not really sure. So that is the product, and these are the samples that I made. So let me give you a close-up of these. And what I did was I used my Cricut Joy, which I have sitting off to the side here, and some permanent vinyl from Cricut, layered up these little words and the paint splotch and the little shamrock there for this one. I have attached the hardware and a shamrock charm from my stash, as well as a little tassel from my stash. So that's one. And here's the next one. This one says Easter Blessings. It has the little white rabbit on it. I have a little charm from my stash that says I Heart Jesus, and another tassel from my stash. And the last sample I have here is this pretty one with the white background, Happy Easter, and the gold cross. And this one also has the charm I Heart Jesus and a pink tassel on there as well. So I'm going to put these aside, and we're going to put one together. So hopefully that will work out okay. I've already cut out the vinyl, and I already have my charm, my hardware, and all the little doodads that I need. So here is my Joy Cricut mat and the pieces that I cut out to go on this one. This one here is a teeny tiny little pot of gold with a shamrock on it, and this is actually 3 different colors of vinyl that I layered up to put that together. It was super easy. And then here's my paint splotch and the words St. Patty's Day. And I see a little problem here, so let me get this fixed. Somehow my apostrophe got moved, so let me get that back where it belongs. Okay, there we go. Back where it belongs. I don't know how that happened. Maybe I touched it or Kiki walked on it, who knows. But anyway, so that's that. So anybody who has a Cricut knows that when you do vinyl, most cases you're going to need some transfer tape. So I already have the transfer tape on these pieces here. And transfer tape comes on a roll, usually, like this. You just cut off what you need. And I have a little piece here. And by the way, you can use transfer tape over a number of times before you have to get rid of it. And you're just going to place that on top of your vinyl image. Okay? And then you will take your scraper or credit card or whatever you have, and you're going to rub on that transfer tape on top of your cutout vinyl. And what that does is it will adhere the vinyl onto the transfer tape so that you can transfer it onto your project. Okay, so I got all that rubbed on there well. And now I'm going to take these off. Usually these come off pretty easily. So there's my pieces that I'm going to use. So let me get out a blank here. So I've got a blank, and you know these acrylic blanks come with a protective sheet on the front and on the back. So I'm going to remove the sheet from the front. I'm going to leave the back on for now because it'll just keep it from getting scratched or damaged. And the first thing I'm going to do is layer on my splotch of paint. So what I'm going to do is just pull the tape off the backing sheet, and you'll see that the vinyl comes off with it. That's exactly what you want to happen. And then I'm going to eyeball where I want to put this and press it down. And once again, you may want to burnish it a little bit. And then you're just going to peel off your transfer tape. And usually when you peel that off, you're going to want to peel it at a close angle to the vinyl. And that actually helps to keep the vinyl in place. So there you go. So I'm going to give you a close-up of that. And it looks like I have a little bubble there, so I'm going to try to push that bubble out. Sometimes you can push out bubbles, sometimes you can't. Well, it's in there, but I think it's okay. So there is the splotch of paint. And now I'm going to put my St. Patrick's Day words on top of there. And once again, I'm going to gently peel the transfer tape and the vinyl away from the backing sheet. So there we have it. And now I'm going to just place this where I want it. I think that looks good there. I'm going to burnish that down again. And then we're going to peel off the transfer tape, and we're going to do that at a close angle to the vinyl. Okay? And I really don't like the way my apostrophe looks, so I'm just going to move it a tiny bit. And hopefully that will stay there. If it doesn't, I can always add another one on. And then I have my little tiny pot of gold. And once again, I'm going to peel this back. And I've got my transfer tape here, and I think I'm going to put this down a little bit. I think that might look cute there. So let me just put that there, burnish it down, and then gently and at an angle peel back the transfer tape. So there we go. Okay, so that looks cute. And now we're going to add our hardware. So what I have here is the split ring and the chain for the keychain. I've got this cute Irish shamrock, and I've got a couple jump rings. Okay, so I've got my hardware here, and I'm going to pick up my heavy-duty jump ring, and this jump ring actually came in the kit. So I'm going to loop it through the chain like that, and then pick this up and loop it through. Oh, you know what? I forgot one thing. I've got to take the backing off, because once I put this on, once I put the jump ring on, then it may be a little bit difficult to pull this off. So let me get that off right now. Okay, very good. Sorry about that. Okay, so I have my hardware along with my jump ring, and I'm just going to feed that through there and close up the loop. And this is kind of a heavy-duty jump ring, much more heavy-duty than the ones we use for regular jewelry. And you'll just want to make sure that's closed nice and tight. And there we have it, like that. And this is fine just to do it just like that. But I'm going to add a charm and a tassel. And where's my tassel? Okay, I don't know which one I want to use. I think I'm going to use the bright green one. All right, so first I'm going to put my charm on. So I'm going to open up one of my jewelry jump rings, add my charm, and you know, sometimes when I put charms on, they end up being backwards. So if this one goes on backwards, then I'm going to take it off and switch it around. So cross my fingers and hope that doesn't happen. Let's just tighten that one up. And make sure that's nice and closed. And let's just see, is it backwards? Nope, I think it's right. Yay! Okay. And now for the tassel. Okay. Gonna loop my tassel through there. And there's no worries about the tassel being on backwards because it doesn't have a front and a back. So I'm just going to pick a place and loop it through. And then close up my jump ring. Okay, so let's see what we have. So here it is. Very, very cute. Very cute. So anyway, these are the 4 completed keychains. I think they turned out super cute. You can make these personalized with people's names, initials. You can put stickers on these. You can, actually, I think you can subliminate on these as well. I haven't tried that yet. I may try that. We'll see, but that might be in another video. But anyway, I will have the link to the keychains in the description box below, along with the pricing, the link to their website, the link to their YouTube program if you're interested in that. Don't forget about my coupon code Enis10 for 10% off all orders. And I did want to mention that this is a giveaway. And I will give away one of each of these to 4 lucky winners. What you need to do to be eligible is be a subscriber to my channel or a frequent commenter. You need to be 18 years or older. You must have a U.S. mailing address. This is not sponsored by anyone other than me, although BEEBEECRAFT did supply me with the keychains, but they're not sponsoring this giveaway. And if you will leave a comment below letting me know which one is your favorite, I would super appreciate that. And then I will enter you into the giveaway. And let's see, I think I will do a drawing sometime on Monday the 17th. And yeah, I hope everybody participates. I love giving away these little projects that I make. I think people like them, at least I hope they do. And yeah, good luck to everybody. Thanks again for stopping by, watching this video. I appreciate everybody, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.